In this video, you'll learn how to customize the colors of your stand store to better reflect your brand identity. This process will allow you to enhance the visual appeal of your store, making it more inviting for potential customers. Begin by navigating to the stand store website in your preferred web browser. If you are not already signed in, you will need to log in using your account credentials. Once you enter your email and password, click the login button to access your store dashboard. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the dashboard. Locate the option labeled My Store and click on it. This will take you to the main settings for your store where you can make various adjustments. At the top of the My Store page, you will see several options, including one that says Edit Design. Click on Edit Design to open the design customization interface. This section provides you with tools to modify the look and feel of your store. Once the design editor opens, scroll down until you reach the colors section. This area allows you to change the colors used throughout your store. You will see several color boxes representing different elements of your store's design. Click on each color box to bring up a color selection tool. This tool enables you to choose your preferred colors either by selecting from the palette or entering a specific hex code if you have a precise color in mind. After selecting your desired colors, you will notice the changes reflected in the preview area. When you are satisfied with your color selections, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page. Click Save to apply your changes. It is essential to confirm that your adjustments have been saved, as this will ensure your store reflects the updated colors. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.